Hi friends, today we are going to unbox our second hand action camera which is sjcam6 Legend. I bought this camera from one of the guy from Kerala. Let me remove the outer wrapper first. So here is the camera box. You can see it is already unboxed, means already used. So I have bought from Amazon. I'm not sure how many days he have used this camera, but as per his claim, he have used the camera two to three times only, and then he bought some GoPro. So here is the packaging. sjcam is branding here. Even though this is second hand camera, I'm telling you details. Let's see on the top cover, sj6 Legend action camera 2.0 or 2.0 inches touch screen. Sorry, in this case I have to say 2.0 or 2 inches touch screen. Two screens. This camera have two screens. One's back screen is actual LCD and front screen is just time screen. Gyro stabilization. This is I think 2 axis or 3 axis gyro, not gyro, gyro sensor. They are claiming it records 4K, but this is not true. It will not record 4K. It might be some fabricated 4K. And they have Apple Store, iPhone app and Google Android app. Here are some specification details. These are the included accessories. So let's see how many accessories he has sent to us, because he already used some accessories from this. So this is the first time I am revealing this cam, unboxing this thing. Let's see what he has sent. Really. Okay, we have got this USB cable. I'm keeping this aside. This is the sjcam stickers. This one is the touch camera case it's a waterproof case touch back door. This one is the frame for mounting on helmet as well as on dashboard. Okay, this is the mounting. I think this is helmet mounting. It have curved back. We have got this bike mounting. This one goes to the pipe or handle. Okay. This is another mounting, chin mounting I think, and camera goes here likewise like this. This one is civil mounting. Its screw is missing, I guess. Its screw is missing. A lot of things are missing here, so we have to. Okay, I haven't removed this thing from this case till so many days. Here you can see white dust particles inside this camera. So let me how to open. Let's open this one. Okay, I am able to open this camera. I guess he haven't removed camera from this case. Okay, weight is quite heavy. So you can see around the camera lens there is a small dust. Okay, I told you there are two screens. The front screen is used to check the time, how much time camera is recording, and the back is the actual touch screen or screen where we can see the actual objects or video. So let's turn on. Okay guys, I'm back. It's my mistake. I thought this one is the power on button, but actually the power on button is on left right side. So this one is the power on button, you can see, and this one is the setting button. So let's turn it on. Okay, it's a memory error. We don't have any memory card, so let's just check what options we have inside camera. So image size, so we can click photos. Let's keep 4K image size. Then exposure type, self timer, EV, metering, color, white balance, distortion. Then go to setting. Let's go to setting. Language, English, date and time format. There are so many options over here. TV mode, we can connect this one to TV, but I don't know how to connect this one. Either we have to connect with special cable, TV AV cable, or this one put type D to HDMI. Likewise. Okay, let's close this. Battery, we have to find screws which are missing, because there is a lot of things are missing in this. This happens as we are buying second-hand camera. Okay, the one thing I didn't told you that I have bought this camera for 5,000 rupees. The actual MRP of this camera is brand new camera price is around 10,500. So that if you know camera conditions are okay, then you can go for such a second-hand cameras via OLX. Just make sure while buying any electronics item, go for South Indian cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, or any South Indian state, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. So these guys are trustworthy guys, and they will deliver your item if you are ready to pay them shipping cost. So just call them directly. You'll get that guy's personality, so you'll be confident to buy your product. Just ask him order questions like when you bought for your reselling or selling it, if he have any invoice or not. Likewise, ask everything you want to get clarification, and then go ahead. Okay, thanks for watching this video guys.